Hello. How are you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to watch Indians Studying Abroad by Varun Thakur. This is an interesting subject as I myself came abroad as an international student. This will be something that I can relate to, and let's go ahead and check it out.
I went abroad to...
I'm gonna stop it right here because it just started and I can already relate to everything he has just said. मैं जब आया था मैंने ये बात अपने दिमाग में बिठा ली थी कि I am not gonna be John, James, Harry or whatever the जब मैं यहाँ पहुंचा यूनिवर्सिटी में every student, especially Chinese students, they all change their name to Tom, Alan or stuff like that. You're not Alan, man, look at you. And then they make fun of you. So I was always like, bhai, I'm either Farrukh or Farouk if you want to make it easier for different people. But I'm
my first proper exposure to the British accent. I walk into school and this guy's looking at me. He looks at me like, mate, can you pass me the what?
what?
Like, can you pass me the what? And I'm like, what?
My बावला रे सेम टू यू कितना इंडियन एक्सेंट में बोला यार ए सेम टू यू बहुत इंडियन एक्सेंट में बोला बहुत आला
But I wasn't
Happy birthday to you बहुत आला है okay it was a good stand up comedy routine सारे जोक्स अच्छे थे बहुत प्रोफेशनल सीन था भाई and I can see this is part of his Amazon special so this is obviously going to be something really nice all of his best jokes in one special okay so that joke when his white friends ask Vroon why is there a cup in your bathroom So and he goes first of all जो मुझे मैं अपना बता रहा हूँ what we have learned is never use your right hand to wash anything on your body use your left hand and you only use your right hand to eat I don't know if that has something to do with Islam or क्या ये सिर्फ tradition है या culture है मुझे नहीं पता but this is what we've been taught since we were kids use your right hand to eat food only right hand don't eat it with your left and then use your left hand to do the nasty stuff so I don't know why he did like this but I understand how hard it is to explain to people who don't wash, who only wipe, that how washing works, and it's a complicated issue. It's a really weird and it's the most uncomfortable thing you can talk about when you're in a foreign country. So it's yeah, it's funny like that. Accent बहुत खतरनाक कर दिया इसने. Balawara. really like his I really like his persona on the stage he really owns the stage he walks around talks like he knows what he's talking about and has a really professional vibe to his whole set इसकी आवाज एकदम flawless निकलती है delivery बहुत अच्छी है pauses एकदम अच्छे हैं jokes बहुत अच्छे हैं even though वो joke बहुत ही rundown सा है Chinese people have dinner that is alive has been done like 10,000 times on Asian cuisine. Asian cuisine पे ये बहुत पुराना joke है, classic joke है मतलब I don't know मैं ये नहीं कहना चाहता इसने किसी से चुराया है but maybe he doesn't even realize his subconscious already knows this joke from somewhere else I don't know but this is a done and over with joke okay the dinner ran away cat and dog dinner or dinner was alive and बहुत typical cliche चीज़ है and speaking of typical the Pakistan joke was also pretty typical कि अच्छा boat entrance है क्या the reference to Mumbai वाला बहुत यार मैं क्या बोलूँ यार I mean it's funny but it's also so tragic I don't like joking about it that much but then again if you don't joke about things you just you become the enemy so think about that the terrorist win if you can't laugh the terrorist win French girl was also pretty spot on French girls have this unwarranted I don't want to say unwarranted but it is in my case unwarranted attitude they have or maybe they're just like that and we feel like they're being snobbish and I am so sorry Xiaomin if you're watching and if you're watching this but it's true I feel like some French girls are super snobbish when it comes to like food especially French people already think that they have the best food in the world so बहुत मुश्किल है उन लोगों को नीचे लाना जरा so he was spot on with that joke hey same to you so I just looked up poha it looks like a खिचड़ी का version कोई बगैर dry खिचड़ी I don't know what it's rice based और मैंने नहीं खाया पोहा कभी शायद तो मुझे नहीं पता क्या है but it seems like it's a easy to cook snack type of food जो सड़क पे मिल जाए आपको आराम से खाने को इस तरह का है जो कि high end कोई सीन नहीं है कोई represent नहीं कर रहे आप अपने culture को as such but then again poha is exclusive to your culture so you are representing your culture good job that Bangladeshi joke was really mean I thought Pakistan would make that joke and it would be a better joke कैंडी मारूंगा जरा again I can relate to this because when I came to Florida मेरे बैच में भी एक बांग्लादेशी स्टूडेंट था एक ही था बेचारा और he was super nice and I was super nice to him and I always made sure कि he's around with us and hanging out and not always stuck in his dorm room एक चीज़ जो मैंने नोट की थी as an international student वो ये थी कि बहुत सारे students just hold themselves up in their dorm rooms अब you'd be surprised कितने स्टूडेंट्स करते हैं ये, and it's heartbreaking to see यार कि आप दूसरे मुल्क आए हो, एक you should come out more, talk to more people that are not like yours, that are different than you are. So this is something जो मुझे नज़र आती थी, and it was the case with that Bangladeshi kid as well. He used to really just sit alone all the time, and I used to try to make him get in the group. International student का जो group था उसमें सब तरह के लोग थे, Germans, Pakistanis, French, Guatemalans, you name it, all kinds of people. And yeah, what a nostalgic throwback at the end जब उसने वो गाना गाया. Happy birthday to you. पहले वो जब गा रहा था कि जियो हजारों साल और फिर ये दिन, पता नहीं क्या, तो मैंने कहा पता नहीं कौन सा गाना है, I've never heard of that. And then he said happy birthday to you. I feel like पता नहीं क्यों मुझे जैसे इंडियन फिल्मों में होता है ना, अचानक से हीरो की आंखें बंद होती हैं और फ्लैशबैक्स आते हैं पीछे, तो मुझे भी अचानक से हो रहा था कि यार मैं बचपन में कहीं पे हूँ, टीवी पे देख रहा हूँ ये, और दिस सॉन्ग वाज प्लेइंग समवेयर मेरे सबकॉन्शियस में बैठा हुआ है, मुझे लग रहा है. थैंक यू ओमकर फॉर वॉचिंग. तुम सब जियो हजारों साल, ये है मेरी आरज़ू. हैप्पी बर्थडे.